Welcome. Today we are going to create a Google spreadsheet bar graph. So what I've done is I've logged into my Google account and I've clicked the red Create button and I've opened a spreadsheet. So this bar graph is using our data on comparison of different bubble types. So the first thing I want to do is create a data table. I need a title, and that will be comparison of bubble soaps. And then I'm going to create the data table. And data tables are always organized where we have X data in our first column and Y data in our second column. So in the A column, I need to list my X data. And in this case, it is type of bubble soap. And if you'll notice, this title is too long for this column, so I need to move it out. Okay, by dragging this up here, I've made my column wider, and now the text fits there easily. So this is where my X data is going to go. Now I need to add my Y data. My Y data is average, diameter, and the units for that are centimeters. So I have the same problem here. I need to make this column wider. Now I'm going to enter the data in. So my first type of bubble soap is super bubble soap. The average diameter for that soap was 15.1 centimeters. And notice I've only put numbers in here. I cannot put any units in with my numbers. The computer can't understand that. After super, I have giant bubble soap, and that had an average diameter of 11.5 centimeters. After giant, I have cheap bubble soap, and the average diameter for that soap was 14.4 centimeters. So I have my data organized, but now I need to make it into a data table by creating some borders. And so I've highlighted my data, and I'm going to go up here to the button that says Borders. I'm going to click on it and click on this top left option, All Borders. So now I have borders all around. I also want to make the first row of my data table, the titles of the X and Y column, I want to make those bold so they stand out. So I've clicked them, highlighted them, and then I've used the bold button here. I'm going to do the same thing for my title and click that. Now I have a data table. If I was working in a team, I would also want to have the name of the two students,